Hello students, this is Vinay Takle from Government High School, Kurchire. In the last video, we have seen what are the rules involved in writing and balancing a chemical equation. Also, we had balanced one chemical equation. Now in this video, we will balance few more chemical equations so that you will not have difficulty in examination. So lesson number 1, chemical reactions and equations. So here is equation on the screen. Barium chloride reacts with aluminum sulfate to give aluminum chloride and precipitate of barium sulfate. So here barium chloride and aluminum sulfate are undergoing a change, therefore they are called as reactants. Whereas aluminum chloride and barium sulfate are new substance form, therefore they are called as product. So let us write equation to this reaction. So symbol of barium is Ba, valence is +2. Symbol of chlorine is Cl, valence is -1. So when barium combines with chlorine, it forms a compound barium chloride and formula is BaCl2. Similarly, symbol of aluminum is Al, valence is +3. Formula of sulfate is SO4 2 minor. So when aluminum combines with sulfate, the compound form is Al2SO4 thrice. Similarly, aluminum when it combines with chlorine, it forms a compound AlCl3, that is aluminum chloride, and barium sulfate formula is BaSO4. So now let us write equation to this reaction. So formula of barium chloride is BaCl2. Reacts means plus sign. Formula of aluminum sulfate is Al2SO4 thrice. Formula of aluminum chloride is AlCl3 and formula of barium sulfate is BaSO4. So here arrow in downward direction indicates the formation of precipitate of barium sulfate. So now before balancing this equation, let us check the number of atoms on the left hand side as well as on right hand side. Okay, so on the left hand side there are 2 atoms of aluminium and on the right hand side there is 1 atom of aluminium. So this equation is not balanced. So let us try to balance this equation. So as already we have seen that before balancing the equation, we have to draw the boxes to each reactants and product. So here I am drawing a box to barium chloride. Aluminum sulfate, aluminum chloride, barium sulfate. So once you have drawn the box to each reactants and product, now you cannot make any changes inside the box. So to balance this equation, we have to write down LHS and RHS. So LHS represent left hand side, that is number of atoms of reactants, and RHS is right hand side, that is number of atoms of product. So let us write number of atoms of reactant. So first element is barium. Since here there is no number, means there is 1 atom of barium on left hand side. Similarly, here is also, in case of barium sulfate, here there is no number, so therefore there is one atom of barium. So let us write. So barium, one atom of left hand side and one atom of right hand side. So which is the next element here? That is chlorine. So on the left hand side, as it indicates, Cl2 means there are two atoms of chlorine. Similarly, on the right hand side, Cl3 means there are three atoms of chlorine here. So let us write for chlorine, left hand side 2, right hand side 3. So now which is the next element? Al means aluminium. So how many atoms of aluminium are here? Al2 means 2. Now don't get confused, since there is a bracket and outside the bracket there is 3. So this 3 is applicable to sulfur and oxygen. So 3 is not applicable to aluminium. So total number of atoms of aluminium here are only 2 on left hand side. Whereas on right hand side there is one atom of aluminium. So let us write number of atoms of aluminium, left hand side 2, right hand side 1. So now which is the next element remaining? Means sulfur. So how many atoms of sulfur are there on the left hand side? There are 3 atoms. So don't get confused here. This 4 is for oxygen. So left hand side there are 3 atoms of sulfur, and on the right hand side there are 4 atoms of sulfur. So let us write for sulfur 3 and 1. Now which element is remaining? Here is oxygen. Now since inside the bracket there are 4 atoms of oxygen and outside the bracket there is 3. So when you open the bracket, it is just a multiplication. So 4 into 3 is 12. And so there are 12 atoms of oxygen on right hand side, and on left hand side there are 4 atoms. So let us write for oxygen. So left hand side 12, right hand side 4. So we have written total number of atoms of reactants and product. Now already we have studied that from where are you going to start balancing? Either from the reactants or product that have compound that have highest number of atoms. I think Al2SO4 is having more number of atoms. So we will start balancing from Al2SO4 tribe. So let us check. So on the left hand side there are 2 atoms of aluminium, and on the right hand side there is 1 atom of aluminium. So on the right hand side I'll have to make 2. So what should I do here? So I cannot write inside the box. Now whatever changes I'm going to make, or I'm going to write outside the box in front of this aluminium. So by writing 2 here, aluminium will get balance. So now aluminium has balance, but by writing 2 here outside the box, something has changed here. So chlorine has become 2 into 3, 6. Whereas on the left hand side there are 2 atoms of chlorine. So in order to make 6, what should I do here? Now I cannot make changes here. I cannot write 6 here. So whatever I am going to make changes, I am going to write outside the box here in front of barium. So how much should I write there in order to make 6? So I am going to write 3 into 2, 6. So chlorine has become 3 into 2, 6. But by writing 3 here, what has changed? Barium has become 3. Whereas on the right hand side, the barium is 1. So in order to make barium 3 on the right hand side, what should I do here? I am going to write how much? 3. So now barium is balanced. Now let us check for oxygen. 4 into 3, 12 is oxygen on the left hand side, and on the right hand side 3 into 4, 12. So now let us check once again whether the equation is balanced or not. So on the left hand side 3 atoms of barium, right hand side 3 atoms of barium. On the left hand side 3 into 2, 6 atoms of chlorine, and on the right hand side 2 into 3 6 atoms of chlorine. So on the left hand side there are 2 atoms of aluminium, and on the right hand side there are 2 atoms of aluminium. So it is balanced. So on the left hand side there are 4 into 3 12 atoms of oxygen, and on the right hand side 3 into 4 12 atoms of oxygen. So this is how equation is balanced.